It's a warm day. How's it going? We're gonna be working on our compost pile today. So I just want to show you guys what we got going on. I'm gonna turn you around, okay? All right. We got bay number 1, which that mulch or that compost we're gonna use this year. And I got a bunch of hoses on it, sorry about that. This one is bay number 2, and we've been working on it this year. So I put all my chicken poop, all the old garden stuff, our old corn, everything goes in there. Then you're gonna mix in some dirt, let it sit for about a year. So that will probably be next year's mulch or compost. And then we're gonna be building a new one. And this one is gonna be good for the year after, and you just turn it into this one, and then you start a new one here the year after. So we're gonna start our no-till garden. We've been working on the garden this year. We're gonna add some new raised beds. I wanted to show you guys what's going on. We don't really have anything going on. It's starting to warm up, which is not really warm for a lot of you, but for us, it's warm. The sun's out. The lake is clear. So garlic is doing good. Garlic's doing good. I cleaned out all these beds. I had carrots and beets in these, and I just recently cleaned them out this week. So I have some fresh carrots and beets in the fridge right now. I cleaned out our strawberry bed right here. I trimmed it all back. It had a bunch of dead stuff in it. I've been putting some, let me get my shadow out of the way. I've been putting some coffee grounds in it because it likes acidic soil. Blueberries look good. Those are all artichokes, looking good. This one has horseradish, and I moved the rhubarb over here. We're gonna see how it does, see if it comes back. I don't know how well it took the transplant, so I don't know if you can see it, but that's the top of it. And this is our asparagus bed, and I've added more asparagus to this bed recently. So I bought some more asparagus from Tractor Supply. This is carrots I sowed last fall. They survived all winter. I just weeded this bed a couple weeks ago. This is broccoli and cauliflower, but not a lot of them survived. So, and this is celery I transplanted from the rows over there. So I'm gonna see if that survives this year and it comes back. And then those are some leeks that were left over from last year. So you can grow things in cold areas, okay? I've been doing it. I'm doing it good. Just kidding, guys. Anyways, I'm gonna set us up and we're gonna put this compost bin together, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. guys, that's how it's done. We got one more bay. That shovel and that board's in there right now because we picked up some boards and there was 3 frogs under there. So we're trying to keep them there for a little bit. They're not bad. And that's our other bay. We got that done, huh? So now we can start working on this pile. This one should maybe ready for the fall. This one will be ready for the spring. And then you just keep rotating them as they go. So I have wood chips are supposed to come tomorrow. I worked out a deal with a company, a tree cutting company, that they're gonna come out and put wood chips, and I think I'm gonna have them put it here so that I could put it in between my raised beds. Sorry, I'm out of breath. Yeah. And these are all my herbs. I think I may move those inside the garden this year. I'm not sure yet, but I want to show you this dirt. We turned this dirt today and it looks pretty good. Some good mulch right there. Look, nice soil. Yep, so that's what's going on. Thanks for hanging out with us, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with all your friends.